Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My last video was the unboxing of the Too Faced gift I received, and today, as promised, I'm going to be doing my makeup look using the products that I got. So I've already done the base of my makeup, and I will be using the Too Faced Killer Liner, the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump, the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, and I'm going to be using some colors from the Natural Nudes Born This Way eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to start with the eyeshadow. I think for this look I'm going to use Nude for like a base color first. Let's do that. Yeah, I like that. That's like a good base nude color. I'm going to go in with this one, which is Cocoa. I'm going to do a little bit of like a smoky eye, but like not a smoky eye, if that makes sense. So. Ooh, I love the pigment in that. It has some like really nice like red undertones. Blend that out. Oh, I really like that. That's what we got. I'm gonna take this bottom dark color truffle and I'm gonna like bring it up underneath. That. I'm gonna do that on both sides. That. Now y'all know how much I like sparkle, so we're gonna try this pretty sparkly color down here. I think it's called Sparkling Sand. And I'm gonna put that on the lid. It's like a nice, like glowy sparkle color. Sparkle. Ooh, that's pretty. I like that. That's all I'm gonna do with the eyeshadow. Y'all know I love me some black eyeliner on the waterline, so that's what we're gonna do next with this Killer Liner. Look at that, guys. Like, that's a nice eyeliner right there. It'll, yep, that. Oh, it's very smooth. Very nice. My black eyeliner. Now the only time that I do eyeliner on like the lid is when I'm going for a very dramatic lash look. Most of the time it's for meets or like a special event or something like that, but unless it's like something like super like fancy or like I'm gonna be on TV or something, I don't put eyeliner on my lid. Now for mascara, I normally use two different kinds. Normally I use Urban Decay Perversion first. But I'm just gonna try 2 coats of the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I think it should work just the same. So what I tend to do when I'm doing mascara is I like to twist it upwards, like away from me, and slowly close my eye as I'm like going up, and that I feel like just like makes it look more dramatic. I don't know if it actually does anything, I just feel like it does, so take that with a grain of salt. Then I'm just going with the end and try to get like the baby inside lashes. Okay, so that's 1 coat. Okay, so that's 1 coat. Now let's go in and do the second layer. Let it dry for a second. My 2 coats. I think that did just fine. I really like that. Now, normally I'm a big lipstick girl. I barely ever wear lip gloss, but I'm really excited to try this. I think since my eyes are a little bit bolder, I should at least put on some kind of lip liner first. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll come back and put this on. Okay, so I went in with a more of like a brown toned lip liner, and now I'm gonna try and put this on top of it, and we'll see what that looks like. I'm a little nervous about the lip plumping part of this because I feel like it's going to burn because I've never used this before. But we shall see. It smells really good. That is tingly. Slightly scared. But I think that looks really good. So this is the final look. I'm gonna come back in a minute when like this kind of sets in, and then if it'll be like plumped or not with my lips now. So I'll be back in like 5-ish minutes and we'll see if it does anything. Okay, y'all, I don't know if my lips were just like tingly or if this actually made them plumper. Tell me in the comments because I don't know. I can't tell. I'm gonna put on some jewelry and then I'll show you guys like the final look. Okay, y'all, here's the final look. I got my sparkly cross and my simple gold hoops, and I would wear this to go shopping, to go to a party, like anything like that. It's like casual, cute, like simple, but like dressy, you know? Thank you guys so much for watching. That's all for this video. Thank you so much to Too Faced for the products and the package. I love all of it. Let me know what you guys think of these products. I'm gonna have them linked down below, and let me know what you want to see next. But for now, I'll see you guys in the next video.